In the late 18th century, the harnessing of steam power ignited a revolution that would transform human civilization forever. The age of muscle and water power was ending. The era of machines had begun. Railways shrank continents and connected nations, creating the first global transportation network. Every mile of track laid was a step toward a more interconnected world, forever changing the pace of human movement. Mechanized textile production revolutionized manufacturing, introducing standardization and mass production. The power loom became a symbol of industrial efficiency, transforming cottage industries into factory systems. Cities transformed as industry drew millions from rural areas. New urban landscapes emerged, dominated by factories and warehouses, forever changing the relationship between humans and their environment. Coal became the lifeblood of industrial society, powering steam engines that drove factories, trains, and ships. This new energy paradigm reshaped humanity's relationship with Earth's resources. Agriculture underwent its own revolution as steam-powered machinery transformed farming. Mechanical innovations increased food production exponentially, supporting rapid urban growth and population expansion. The Industrial Revolution's greatest legacy was not just its machines, but a new way of thinking about progress, innovation, and human potential. It set the foundation for all technological revolutions that followed.